Tired of important updates getting lost in endless email chains? Let's get everyone on the same page by mastering announcements in Basecamp. First, navigate to the specific project where you want to make your announcement. You can find the project listed on your Basecamp homepage. Now, look for two tabs in the project that you selected: Campfire and Message Board. Select the Message Board tab. On the Message Board page, you'll see a button labeled New Announcement. Click on it to start creating your message. You'll be prompted to write a title, which should be short and concise. In the body of the announcement, type your message. Be clear and specific, avoiding jargon if possible. Basecamp lets you control who sees your announcement. Scroll down the announcement page and you'll see options to notify the entire team or specific individuals. Choose the appropriate setting. Once you're satisfied, click the Post this announcement button at the bottom of the page. And just like that, your announcement is live and visible to your team, ensuring everyone stays informed.